everyone, welcome to Top Tech News, your news channel for getting updated with the 5 latest tech news headlines and 5 insights on how they would impact business and our lives. To read the full news article for any of the news that we cover, simply click on the link below in the description. To stay updated, show us some love and hit the subscribe button below and turn on notifications by clicking the bell icon. This way you would be informed whenever we upload a new video. Hi, my name is G and I am your host for today. We would be covering all of these top tech headlines. Fall's most anticipated game, Android 11 DP4 coming to these OnePlus devices. Your Android and iOS phone might stop supporting Pokemon Go. Samsung unveils Galaxy M51. And disappointing iPhone 12 update. So let's get started. Fall's most anticipated games. Nielsen, the global measurement and analytics firm, in a report said that the most anticipated games of the year are Marvel's Avengers, Call of Duty, Black Ops Cold War, and Marvel's Spider-Man Miles Morales. This report was based on a survey of more than 6,000 gamers. In Marvel's case, it seems that Square Enix, the publisher, is doing its best to capitalize the mega success of the Avengers films. But it'll have to be seen if they can meet the fans' expectations around the look of the in-game character models. If we have to be stuck at home, staying safe from COVID-19, then it looks like we would have at least some awesome games to give us company. Let us know in the comments below as to which are your favorite titles and which one are you keenly waiting for. Android 11 DP4 coming to these OnePlus devices. Now, Android 11 developer preview was supposed to be the final one for the OnePlus 8 series. However, an extra DP4 has now dropped with some notable tweaks and performance boosts. The update hasn't been explicitly confirmed by OnePlus, but fans over OnePlus forums have already shared their own system update logs. And it's a sizable update at 2.8 GB. Now, this update brings about a list of resolutions for common problems without adding anything new. Head over to the article on our site by clicking the link below in the description to check out the update change log. Your Android and iOS phone might stop supporting Pokemon Go. Pokemon Go is about to end support for older Android and iOS devices from October. The official Pokemon Go Twitter account confirmed that those with devices running Android 5 Lollipop, iOS 10, iOS 11, the iPhone 5S and iPhone 6 will no longer be able to play the marauding AR game. Understandably, some iOS owners are not happy with this, considering that the people tend to hold on to iPhones for far longer than those who use Android. For Android users, if you manage to maintain and use the device on Lollipop for so long, then heck, you are one of a kind. Our advice? Upgrade, because unfortunately it's time to move on. Check out the next news item for a new affordable Android phone. Samsung unveils Galaxy M51. Samsung, the Korean giant, has quietly unveiled the Galaxy M51, yet another affordable Android smartphone. Now, the device comes with Snapdragon 730 chipset, 6 GB of RAM, 128 GB of micro SD expandable storage, plus a monster of a 7000 mAh battery. And it's a 6.7 inches Super AMOLED display with a punch hole 32 megapixel selfie camera. The rear camera features a 64 megapixel main camera, 12 megapixel ultra wide, 5 megapixel macro camera and a 5 megapixel depth sensor. So if you're looking for an affordable Android camera that's big on size, battery and got plenty of photographic chops, then this might be just for you. Well, the device ships starting September 11. A disappointing iPhone 12 update. In this year of 5G phones, the biggest unknown is still around which of the 5G will the hotly anticipated iPhone 12 get. All models are likely to support sub 6 GHz 5G. It is effectively the next step up from 4G LTE with similar range, but offers only a relatively modest bump in speed. Now, superfast 5G is a very different beast. Millimeter wave 5G. Now, this has more in common with Wi Fi than traditional mobile data. A new report coming out from noted Apple analyst Ming Chi Kuo suggests that a key Apple supplier will see lower growth thanks to the reduced millimeter wave 5G orders from the iPhone maker. Now, COVID 19 might have had an impact on global rollout of the 5G millimeter wave base stations, and it seems that Apple might be deciding whether to limit this offering by models or by country. Whatever it is, we should get clarity once Apple launches the new iPhones later this October. Well, that's about it for today. Hope you found it helpful. Let us know your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications by clicking the bell icon. And do show us some love by clicking on the thumbs up button. Have a wonderful day, everyone, and we will be back again